Hey guys, good morning. Sorry, medyo maingay yung background natin. Naglalaro yung mga bata sa labas. Today, I wanna do something. I think it's time to kasi I am 7 days late from my period and never akong nalilate sa period ko. It's very unusual. It's either I'm early or a day or 2 days late, and I'm very regular. So, I think it's time. So, this one, binili namin ni Jeff kahapon. And, I'm gonna try this. And, actually, bumili na rin ako sa Lazada. The Clear Blue. Ito, binili ko nung March pa. Kasi, just in case lang, at least, meron na kami nakaabang. Kasi gusto kong matry ito. Yung digital. But anyway, to just give you a background, Jeff and I actually got a clearance from my OB na pwede na kami mag-try kasi the whole March while he was recovering from his rib rhinoplasty, I was also doing my checkups and all. So I did my blood test, ultrasound, everything to see kung healthy ba ako, if I have any issues or what that needs to be fixed. So, yun yung ginawa ko the whole March. That's why no March, sobrang na-busy talaga ako. And, hindi yata ako masyado nakapag-update sa inyo, even sa broadcast channel ko. So, that's the reason why. And when we got our clearance, so yun, Jeff and I tried, and this is it, guys. Actually, hindi ko alam paano to gawin, and hindi ko rin alam kung paano siya i-vlog or what. I don't know. Nisip ko lang, just grab the camera and do it. Kung na alam, kinakabahan ako. And, yeah. So, anyway, and actually, to be honest, last night, since dalawa to, I already tried one. Kasi nawiwi na rin ako kagabi and I was like, just try it na lang. Wala naman mawawala. So, the test last night came out positive. And I immediately called my best friend, si Almira. She's a doctor. And I've been messaging her, consulting with her. And nung natry ko siya, nagulat ako. And I'm like, oh my gosh. Like, galit na galit yung lines. Ayan. Guys, nakikita nyo ba yan? Galit na galit siya. So, it's very positive. But we still have another kit to try. Sabi ng best friend ko, okay na raw yan. Maniwala na raw ako sa isang test kit. But, parang medyo hindi pa nag-sink in sa akin and I really wanna do it again this morning. So, sabi ko sa kanya, I'm gonna do it again sa morning and I'm gonna tell Jeff ngayon sa morning. So, the whole night, natulog ako na hindi ko sinabi kay Jeff. I'm so sorry, babe. I'm sorry. Pero, gusto ko lang maging sure talaga. That's why I'm gonna do it again now. And then, we're gonna surprise him. Okay, so this one, I don't know how to do this. So, this one can detect early pregnancy. And it's ultra-sensitive. Detects hormone as early as 10 days. This one, the pink one, I got this at Watson's. And then the clear blue naman, 6 days sooner siya. So, malalaman natin kung alin yung mas effective. Charot. Okay, so this is 99% accurate daw. And digital siya. So, I chose yung may lalabas na pregnant. And I think yung iba, lalabas lang positive or negative. But ito yung ginawa ko kasi. So, yung words talaga nasabihin na, you're pregnant. Ayan. So, guys, I'll be back and I'll update you. Guys, kagabi ganito rin ako and hindi ko alam paano mag-react. But, it's not Jeff. Para ma-share ko tong happiness na to. Tara na.
Nakita mo na? Ala! May sabi mo eh. Sabi sa'yo eh. Ang galing mo, no? Punta na labas today. Alam mo ba kagabi na? Eto.
Sabi ko, baka hindi kasi totoo.
Pero hardline to.
Sabi ko, baka hindi totoo. Sabi ko, gusto ko ulitin. Baka umasa ka. Hihi! I'm surprise! Oh. Happy ka? Daddy ka na? Daddy!
Totoo ba yan? Baka hindi na lang ganun.
Totoo yan.
Kami 2 weeks pa lang.
We are gonna be
Parents!
We're
Gulat
pregnant! Nagulat ka sa pag-good morning ko sa'yo.
Ito yung best good morning. Ito lang breakfast. Love you.
Love you.
So guys, first time namin mag-try ni Jeff and
Grabe.
ilang days pa lang.
Wala pang 2 weeks ata. Sabi na ni Doc, balik kayo after 6.
Sabi ni Doc, balik kayo after 6 months pag preggy na. Oh my gosh.
Mukhang 2 weeks pa lang babalik na.
Kasi guys, sinakto kasi namin yung, nung pagka-clear kasi ni Doc, chinek ko, fertile pa ako, nung nasa fertility window pa. Siguro doon yun, sure ball, no? Parang yung mga recent days kasi, sinasabi ko sa'yo, di ba, parang nasusuka ako pag umaga.
Pero open.
Kain ako ng kain. Pag mga 4-5 a.m., parang feeling ko nasusuka ako. Kala ko like guni-guni ko lang. Pero, ang dami kasi namin naisip, baka kasi yung stomach issues ko lang, yung na-ER ako, diba? Sorry guys, nangalay na ako. So, nung na-ER ako, I'm sure, alam niyo na yun. Nung time na
Alam
yun.
nila.
Nila.
Ay.
Nung na-ER ako, diba? So, nung time na yun, nothing serious talaga siya, pero parang something to do with my stomach, ganyan, gut, ganon. So, sinabi ko sa doctor dun na nagtatry kami ni Jeff. So, just in case lang na may bigay sila na gamot sa amin, dapat safe
Pwede
siya
pa,
for
oo.
pregnant women. Di ba? Pero, nung day na yun kasi, we like did a stool exam and then nag-PT rin ako doon. So, may pregnancy test din doon. Kasi para lang malaman kung pregnant ako or not. Unfortunately, nung time na yun, yung PT ko turned out negative. Diba? So,
Pero na-feel ko na. It's like, hindi mali yan.
aww.
Pero early kasi yun eh.
Yeah, so super early pa kasi yun. Like, days pa lang, diba?
Hindi. Tsaka ilang days yun before nung dapat may period ka, di ba?
2 days before.
2 days before. Sabi ko masyado pang maaga.
Yun. So,
Sabi ko malakas ako.
So, yun, negative yung time na yun. And then, binigyan nila ako ng gamot. Hindi ko siya tinake up until now.
Sabi ko, wait. Kasi ilang days na lang naman. Sabi ko, wait na lang muna yung
Period.
magka-period. Kung nagka-period na, saka i-take yung gamot. 1 week. Mag-1 week na eh.
1 week na hindi ako nagka-period.
Hindi ka na-delay, di ba?
Hindi ako nade-delay. Kaya, ito na. Ito yung sagot. Pregnant pala si ako. Ayun. Yun lang. Yun yung kwento na.
Hihi. Ang ganami adadis.
Wow! We're pregnant!
Yan ang gusto talaga namin this year eh.
Wow.
Thank you.
The world had more of your smile. What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars,